Alright, welcome back to my channel. It's actually been a while. Today is December 12th and I haven't opened the advent calendar since day 5. I don't know. I've been, a little depressed and haven't really been, motivated to open my calendars for some reason. But today it's going to be catch up. So I'm going to go ahead and open from day 6 till 12 in one video. So that should be fun. Okay, so first we have to find day 6, which is right on the side, right there. So let's see. Okay, so for day 6, we have the water bottle. Okay, day 7 is on the other side, right here. And for day 7, we have a little dress. And day 8 is on the other side, on the bottom. Okay, so for day 8, we have her shoes that goes with the second outfit, the little dress. Day 9 is on the top part. And okay, so day 9 is another outfit. And day 10 is right in front, right here. We have a little top. In day 11, on the other side, right here. We have the little bottoms. In day 12, is all the way in the corner on the other side. And we have another top. Okay, so alright, so I'm all caught up with the LOL Advent. Alright, so here she is with her first set of outfit that I opened today. Okay. And here she is with the second set of outfit that I opened today for her. Okay. And here she is with her third set of outfit, a little top and bottom, top that says Boss. And here she is with the little top that we opened today. So I guess we'll have to wait for the other days to get her little bottoms, maybe get a new shoes or get an accessory. But that's all for today for the LOL. Alright, so now we're doing the Mini Brand Series 3. We're catching up with that. So the next one will be day 6 right here. And we have the Dum Dum Lollipops for day 7, which is down here. And we have a Heath candy bar Day 8 is right above it. And we have the regular royal jello. And day 9 up here. And we have animal crackers. Is that it? No, that's not animal crackers. That's Otter Pop Tropical. What is that? Is that like the little frosty thingies? Okay. Day 10 right underneath. And we have Jelly Ranchers hard candy. Day 11 right next to it. And we have this icy squeeze candy. And day 12 is right here. And we have Triscuit Original right here. So that's everything for the Series 3 playing catch up. See you tomorrow. Wait, we have the toys next. All right, and now we're going to be doing the toys, catching up. So let's do day 6 right here. Ooh, this is new for me. The little Dora microphone. Okay, day 7 down here. Oh, we have a ultra rare, which is the rose gold teacup, giant teacup. Itsy bitty pretty. Day 8, which is right here. And we have this little fish, Robo Fish. Day 9 up here. And we have the SpongeBob SquarePants Krabby Patty car, which is something that's new for me. Day 10. Something new for me. We have the Ninja Turtle mask, and this is for Raphael. Day 11. We have a Untamed. I think that's a fingerling. This is new for me. I have the blue one, I think. And day 12. We have the Ninja Turtle, and this one is Raphael. So that's all. I'm all caught up. See you tomorrow.